So, it is no secret that high-end fashion brands are releasing more and more questionable footwear by the day. And now with the fluctuation of AI influence within this field, it's not surprising that we're seeing some pretty mad designs. Take this image for example, these shoes took the internet by storm a few months ago, and the reason being, they don't exist. Everything you see here is generated by a computer. None of these exist. This, it's all AI generated. So with Adobe's new AI implementation of Generative Fill, I thought it'd be pretty fun to jump in on the action and modify some popular footwear designs. So as you guys can see here, we've got the staple of every hypebeast wardrobe, the Yeezys. Now with the tool being AI driven, it essentially means it's been programmed to mimic problem solving and decision making capabilities of the human mind. It's pretty damn cool. So using the selection box, we can select an area of our shoe such as the sole and click Generative Fill. Then typing a prompt which you want to generate, something mad like shoes on spikes. And then we'll just go ahead and click generate. Now this is actually so sick, so it's giving us 3 options which we can then select from. So I'm going to go with these as they look pretty interesting. I'm not loving this little tab here, so I'm just going to delete this real quick. So let's grab this top section and type something a little crazy like rope laces. Okay, yeah, so the AI sometimes gets a bit confused, as you guys can see here. What are the other variations saying? Oh damn, okay, that's actually sick. We can work with that. It's actually so impressive how realistic it looks. Like this sort of product manipulation within Photoshop can take years to perfect, yet now we've just got it done through like a click of a button. It's actually crazy. Right, okay, so let's go back to this hill and type something strange, like wooden midsole. Okay, interesting. So it sort of extends the shoe's sole in the upper material. Okay, a little bit chunky, but it kind of looks pretty sick. Like it's working. Okay, this one looks pretty promising. We can work with this. Okay, let's go back to this sole and type like funky shoes, maybe like funky sole. Oh yeah, so AI's got it confused again. Whoa, damn, yo, she is big. We got like the Lizzo of footwear going on right now. Okay, so I'm going to try using a selection which isn't so boxy and see how it works with that. Okay, yeah, so I typed in spikes and I kind of like it. From far away anyway, it looks decent. Okay, so let's continue with this rope theme and see if we can get like a rope pull tab on the back here. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about these. I kind of want to replace this with rope. Okay, I'm in love. This is so sick. This actually looks like one of those sort of pretentious shoe models which would be released. Bro, I'm so excited that Photoshop's released this feature. It's actually opened the doors to so many ideas, like, oh my days. Okay, so for the sake of context, let's just add like a sandy underneath. That's worked so well. That's actually really impressive. The fact it can actually generate like such realistic shadows is such a game changer for things like product photography. Oh yeah, I'm gassed, this looks so sick. Okay, cool. Let's try something with Vapor Max. I think it'll actually look pretty sick because it's already quite unique looking. Let's type futuristic shoe sole. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is looking good. So it's giving us like a bit of a chunky sort of heel. I feel like I want to sort of define the heel a little bit more. Let's just type in shoe heel. Okay, yeah, I like that. It's looking pretty bougie. Yeah, let's go ahead with this one. Now let's go ahead and grab this front sole. Again, something a little bit mad. Shoe spikes. Yo, okay. Yeah, these are sick. I don't even know which one to go with. This looks really cool, so I think we're gonna go with this. Shoe tongue. Ooh, okay. It's looking a bit high end. Yeah, why does it actually look kind of sick? This is so impressive. Like, damn. Okay, we're gonna go with this first one, I think. It's giving off like some sort of fancy shoe, so maybe if we give it some fancy laces. It's done it so well. Like, I can't get over how impressive it is. Okay, we're gonna go with these, I think. I quite like the little like silver aglet on them. Comment down below if you know what the aglet song is. Let's do something interesting here, like a little like window, like glass, like screen maybe. Okay, we can work with this. Let's jump into the hue and saturation. Then if we just bring down the saturation. You know what? Yeah, this is looking cool. I can fully see these being a thing. Like they look like a sort of cross between a fancy going out shoe slash some edgy, crazy, intense streetwear like design. It's sick, man. I think these actually look really cool. Okay, onto the Balenciagas. Let's go. So I've already got like a vision for this one. I think I want to make like some sort of slipper slider type thing. I mean a bit like luxury with like some fluff or something. Look at me thinking like a little like shoe designer now. So let's grab this top section and just type slipper. Okay, so it's basically done what we want. Like, the AI's got a bit confused, and it's quite interesting because it's literally showing the whole model just from a different perspective, which would actually be quite useful if you wanted to show like different sort of angles of a product. This has blown my mind. So we can clean this up. Let's just grab like this one and crop out what we don't need. Much better. Okay, let's grab this bit. Okay, let's go for it. Fluffy shoe tongue. Okay, it's not looking too bad. Yo, yeah, we're going with that one. That one's actually really good. Kind of want to like manipulate the sole a little bit. Okay, yeah, we've got some little like flip-flop slide thing going on. I don't know what these are. Okay, we're going for it. I'm feeling ballsy. We're bringing out the Crocs. Let's go. I kind of want to make like a really awful looking shoe, but something which people would want to buy. You know how like Balenciaga already brought out like these already dirty shoes with holes and tears and dirt all over them, like here and here. They're absolutely awful, but people went insane for them. Let's just make something stupid like that. Okay, so let's just straight up type like dirty sole. Why doesn't it look awful? Like, it actually looks alright. Okay, we're sticking with these. These are cool. Kind of want like that sort of icy blue bottom. Yeah, something like that. Kind of want to test like how good it is with like vague prompts. So let's do like weird shoe. Oh my days, how has it worked so well? That's insane. It's literally carried on the holes throughout the Crocs. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's just completely generated whole new areas of the shoe. I don't know which one to go with. I kind of like this one. Okay, let's carry on with dirt. It's worked really well. It's realistically put some dirt on a shoe. Okay, let's put it where it belongs, straight in the mud. Muddy floor maybe. There we go. With that combination of that like muddy floor and the mud on the toes, it just looks so realistic. Like, although it's an awful shoe design, it makes it look like something that which is a real product and people would actually buy. Crazy. Okay, I'm having too much fun with this, so let's do one more. We're going to whip out the Sean Weatherspoons, one of my favourite shoes. Funky shoe sole. Not loving these. That's not looking great. Okay, bit of foam posity. Okay, let's go with the foam posits. Let's grab this top bit. Let's just type in like shoelaces. Okay, that's actually the way how it's carried on, like that blue strip into the toe box. Oh my god. Yo, yeah, let's go with that blue one. That's so cool. The actual shoe looks awful, but like it's just cool how it's working. I'm not too keen on this bit, so let's just cover this up. What happens if we put something like melting? Again, for like product photography, this is so good. This could just go straight on a poster. Wow. Okay, well that's insane. That's absolutely crazy. Hopefully you guys are blown away by this just as much as I am. Let me know in the comments below if you're either for AI being used in art and design or you're against it. I know it's very controversial at the minute, as everything can now just be done through a click of a button. As always, please feel free to go check out my socials, my Twitter and my Instagram. If I haven't dropped graphic design and gone into shoemaking, then I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, in a bit.